Welcome to Breakfast Around the World. Today we're diving deep into the flavors and traditions of an authentic Algerian breakfast. From the crispy goodness of Kesra to the comforting embrace of Rechta, we're about to explore 4 delicious dishes that define mornings in this beautiful country. Ready to take a tasty trip? Let's go. First up, Kesra. This isn't just bread, it's a piece of Algerian tradition. Made from semolina and baked to perfection, Kesra is crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and oh so satisfying. Whether you dip it in olive oil, spread it with butter, or enjoy it plain, Kesra is the kind of bread that makes you want to linger over breakfast. Next, mes amis, these aren't your ordinary pancakes. These are layers of flaky, buttery goodness that melt in your mouth. Whether you like them sweet with honey or savory with cheese, mes amis is versatile and absolutely irresistible. Watch how these layers come together. It's like magic on a griddle. Now, we're moving into something a bit special, lamb lalou. This isn't your typical breakfast dish, but when Algerians want something extraordinary, they turn to this sweet lamb stew. Dried fruits, honey, cinnamon. It's a symphony of sweet and savory that's usually reserved for special occasions, but why not treat yourself any morning? Finally, let's dig into Rechta. This isn't just a meal, it's an experience. These thin, delicate noodles are the star of many celebrations, served with a light, flavorful sauce made from chicken, chickpeas, and vegetables. It's hearty, it's comforting, and it's the perfect way to start your day, especially when shared with family and friends. 4 incredible dishes that make up the heart of an Algerian breakfast. From the crispy Kesra to the comforting Rechta, each dish tells a story of tradition, flavor, and love. If you're ever in Algeria, these are the breakfasts you don't want to miss.